the lion walking in off the side of the paper. So we're going to go quite near the edge of the paper. Okay. We're going to draw a line like this because the lion is going to be walking in from the side of the paper.
Fab. Coming in from hiding, you might say.
Exactly.
Yeah.
He's going to be peeping in the side of the paper. So we're going to draw a line across and then a line down, and those are some whiskers at the bottom. And then going to fill in that corner. That's his nose there.
Good.
Okay.
Great.
And then this is his eye. It's like a number 6, but backwards. And I always do him looking backwards because it makes him look more cheeky.
Yes, that he does have a very cheeky look. That is good.
Yeah.
Number 6 backwards. That's great.
Mm-hmm.
How's everyone getting on? Are they all having a go at drawing the tiger?
It would be nice to see the pictures after. I wonder if afterwards,
yes.
if you use the hashtag, what should we say? Hashtag how to hide a lion.
Yeah.
Then we'll be able to see people's drawings afterwards, won't we?
That would be brilliant. Yes, if you want to share it with hashtag how to hide a lion, then we'll make sure that we collate them all and we can share them.
Yeah, good idea. Okay, my lion's going to have a bit of a smiley face and some whiskers, like that. Actually, I'm going to put some on the bottom of his chin as well, like that. And then his ear goes up at the corner like that, and it's like a circle, sort of an oval that's not quite closed with a little line that's like the fold in his ear.
Okay, yep.
And then this is the good bit. This is his mane, and his mane is really scruffy, so you can just scribble.
Lots of scribbling. Love the scribbling.
I wish we could hear all the scribbling at home. It's really good when I do this with a whole assembly full of children, like 200 or 300 children, and you can hear all those bang, bang, bang when they're whiskers, and then all the scribbles when the manes happen.
That's the fun bit, isn't it? Doing all the scribbles.
Okay, I'm going to draw his paw. So this is just the front of the lion. So we're just going to draw his front legs. So this is one. It comes down like this, just peeping in the edge of the paper like that. And he's got really big toes on the end of his toes. Would you call those toes on a lion? He's got
but toes on the toes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's one leg. Now the other leg is going to come. So this is his right leg, and his left leg is kind of peeping in like that, like he's just sort of sneaking around the corner like that. And then I'm going to add a little bit of ground. If you do a bit of scribble underneath your character, it kind of anchors them to the ground. I'm going to draw a couple of lines where his knee is like that.